Hey, what is up guys? Usually psychological effect is not on your side when it comes to investing and trading. But if you can understand those psychological market cycles by inverting your thoughts, you can tilt the odds on your side. I would like to give credit of this video idea to Luis. He created a similar video in the past. So in this video, I'm going to read your guys' comments and see if we have reached the bottom of this cryptocurrency market cycle. In every market in the history, whenever humans are involved, psychological effect can be the difference between successful and not so much successful investors. Humans are involved in every single market. It ranges from a general stock market to commodity market to real estate to especially cryptocurrency market. As one of my favorite value investors, Warren Buffett, once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful." Warren's close friend, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, Charlie Munger, once said, "It's not enough to think problem through forward, you must also think in reverse. Much like the man who wanted to know where he's going to die, so he would never go there." Indeed, many problems cannot be solved forward, and that's why the greatest algebraist Carl Jacob so often said, "Invert, always invert." And why Pythagoras thought in reverse to prove that square root of 2 was irrational number. Anyways, we got the point. But for those of you who did not, in the simple language it means that one of the best time to buy is when everyone else is selling and vice versa. When it looks so good, that can be the best time to take a profit. But is that what you actually do? Most investors only feel comfortable following the crowd. Diving into the world of investing, psychology can open your eyes to mistakes made by many sophisticated investors and especially regular market observers. Understanding why the market psychology impact those sophisticated investors won't keep you from being one of them, but it will give you awareness when emotions are overheated or underheated. So here we have a Wall Street cheat sheet, a psychology of market cycles. If you look at this sheet, every cycle starts with disbelief, then hope, optimism, belief, thrill, then my favorite one is when you think you are a genius and getting super rich, which is euphoria. From there, everything else goes down the hill. We just need to cool off a bit for another rally. Then you get anxiety, asking yourself why this dip is taking so long, followed by denial, then panic. "Shit, I'm losing all my money, I'm never going to see my Bitcoin Lambo, I need to get out." So you are out, you are angry and pissed off, and you're thinking, "I will never invest in anything in my life." But as soon as you get out, another cycle begins. It starts with disbelief stage. And as soon as we reach optimism stage, new suckers who want that Bitcoin Lambo jump in and it is continuous. So I'm going to start reading your guys' comments since January, when the market was up, and we will see if people were more optimistic at that time comparing to the current time. However, I do not have many comments because it was the time when I started making videos about cryptocurrencies. The Barn says, "We will see 1 million sooner than we think." John G says, "Yes, absolutely. Bitcoin will be $1 million before 2021. Well, possibly." Knight Howlach, or whatever you pronounce that, says, "Yes, knew it. I was gonna be rich. Thanks." David Bermudas says, "Satoshi Nakamoto said in the future 1 BTC will be $10 million US. I don't know, David, did he really say that? Oh, that is right, we do not know who Satoshi is." Deborah Haley says, "I'm believing it will be at least $45,000 by December 2018. Kind of doubt that." Brady Plumquist says, 1 million Bitcoin? Easy. My guess is shortly after 2020, 2021 or 2022. Well, possibly. Now let's fast forward few months ahead and see what people have to say at this current time. Astolfo says, fucking Bitcoin retards. Oh, is someone pissed off? Riven Wood says, this is all nonsense. Another angry person. I do not even know how to pronounce this name, but let me try. Suk Mickey Hookie I says, it's pump and dump, thanks to whales, drug dealers, and money washers at work. Too Fat to Furious says, that's a cool name by the way. Biggest scam in history. Well, I think the biggest scam in history is US dollar, but everyone has their own opinion. House Action says, sell it will go down further, then it will be heavily regulated. Carol Torres says, BTC will fall to $2 and will disappear. Damn it, not like this, Carl. JVic says, I predict price to go down to about $1. What? Even less than $2? Mark Anthony says, wrong, zero is coming. That's even less than $1. CIP says, why goat, damn it, why? Jesus, relax, CIP, is God, not goat. Scott Javier says, the thing you forgot is that no one wants to put money into Bitcoin as wallets and exchanges are not safe and getting hacked. I don't know, is this really true? Scott, maybe you should get yourself a hardware wallet. Girish Dolly says, Bitcoin price will fall soon more. Well, that's a possibility. Cap Jane says, ain't going to recover. New ranges will be formed at the lower levels. And last comment is my favorite one. Kensamutik says, Bitcoin will recover and pigs will learn to fly. That's funny, pigs better learn how to fly soon. But on the serious note, according to those comments, we are at the stages between anger and depression in the current market time. Which means there is a good chance that we have reached the bottom of the cycle. If not the bottom, then very close to it. So, this is the end. Let me know what do you guys think about psychology of market cycles. Do you think we have reached the bottom yet? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe for more animated videos about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Other than that, thank you for watching and see you next video.